Hello, people of the world. It is the Monday after a lovely snowstorm, and we are back in the store. Thank you for all of you who shopped online when we were closed. I really appreciate it. That's how we small businesses keep going, because of people like you. And so thank you. We got MISA in. If you're going away on your vacay in February, necesito this MISA. So I already kind of opened it because this is a very difficult box. Okay. MISA is known for their gentle price point and their fabulous sense of style with really ugly hangers, but forget it. That's not the point. Okay, MISA dress number 1. You know it, you love it, you want it, and that's the end of that. It's the print that is beautiful. This is one of their classic shapes. MISA runs a bit on the fuller scale, I have to admit, but I have to tell you, this feels like it's actually an extra small, because it just proportionally looks smaller. It's a beautiful, like a tile print of sorts, something you would see in Morocco. Oh, Marrakesh. If you've never been to Marrakesh, I highly suggest it. Okay, so that was a dress to take away. It would be great, that dress would have been great for a beach situation. This is their classic uneven hem. This fabric is more of a cotton fabric as opposed to the other one, which is a poly fabric. This is a matching top, but such a cute beach skirt. Elastic waist, COVID belly friendly. If you have a button-down shirt, you can tie it with it. You can do it with just your bathing suit and wear it as a cover-up, or it has a matching top, which I shall demonstrate right now. So you know there's a big trend towards crop tops. Big trend. This one is a size extra small. So extra small to large. These two this top and skirt kind of kiss, they meet. You're not showing belly, but when you move, you show belly. So what? You're on vacation, who cares? That's the outfit. Smocking on top of this, which is amazing for different types of upper parts. Smocking at the sleeve, it's kind of an elbow sleeve. The color, this with a pair of shorts is great, together is great. I like when you take two pieces, okay? Two pieces that kind of match so that you can actually pack more. Watch. No, so cute. This looks like a taffeta, but I promise you it's not silk taffeta. It's a poly taffeta. This was a denim jacket and just a tank top. If you can wear a crop top, this is gorgeous, and it will look great back to this as another outfit. So you essentially can take this top, this skirt, and the matching skirt to this, and you have different looks. Let's see what else. Ooh. Look what I have. So, you remember the skirt that I just showed you? The cha-cha skirt? This is a total flamenco skirt. Ole! Okay. It has a matching off-shoulder top with this beautiful sleeve. So, in navy. So this essentially goes with that skirt in the print that I just showed you. Extra small to large. The skirts, if you're a size 10, 12, I promise you, will fit you. This was probably one of my favorites at the showroom because I love this print. This is one of their mini skirts, you know, Those of you who wear their skirts know what I'm talking about. This is a classic mini skirt. The great thing about it is that you can wear it as high or as low as possible. If you wear it on the hips, it falls lower. The sides are a bit shorter, that's why it's so fat. And I kind of bought it with the matching but not so matching top. So this is how I envision it. Tie it in the front, right? Let's just say we're tying it. And you wear it with this. So this print, you have the print of the skirt on the collar, but the rest of it really doesn't go with it, but it kind of goes with it. The colors are exactly the same. Wear this with jean shorts, wear it with a white denim jean jacket, and wear it together as a set. The top is a bit sheer. You are going to wear it with just a nude bra and you'll be fine, I promise you. One more MISA top. This is a pretty top. The prices are not expensive. They're at a lower and gentler price point, but it's a beautiful look. The look is amazing. The same skirt comes in the print. You can tell I like two pieces that kind of go together. It gives more life to your wardrobe. You can wear it longer in your wardrobe. So skirt and top. And finally, that's from MISA. Oh, look at the inside of the box. So cute. We also come here, Alisa. We got C. This shiburi print C dress just landed with the smocking. This is a beautiful dress to take away. We got from C a classic C top, but in a beautiful soft cotton. Look at the beautiful button detail. It's really, really, it's $250 for the look. It is very well priced. And my favorite, my absolute freaking favorite. Paisleys, listen to me now. Paisleys are going to have a moment next year. Take my word, because I kind of know. Next fall, you'll see a lot of Paisley. This company is a bit ahead of itself. This is their bolero. It's quilted and then embroidered on top of it. Monica, who's the designer for C, a dear friend of mine, you are a genius. Over a dress, do it with shorts, do it with high-waisted, wide-leg jeans. Just do it. You only have two left. Okay, 516-627-5333. Everything will be online, gallerycouture.com shortly.